Hi friends! Now we're going to talk about rhinoceroses. Rhinoceroses are also an animal that lives on the savanna. I'm on my Epic account, and as you can see there are 5 different books about rhinoceroses. I'm going to read this one right here. It's very similar to the zebra book that I read to you on the last slide. And this one is called Rhinoceroses Animal Safari. So again, we have the table of contents. And we'll go ahead and get started. What are rhinoceroses? Rhinoceroses are one of the largest land mammals on Earth. They are also called rhinos. Rhinos have 1 or 2 horns on their heads. The horns are made of keratin. Where rhinos live. Rhinos live in savannas, forests, and swamps. They spend most of the day in the shade. They graze on plants and grasses. Most rhinos live alone. Some rhinos live in groups called crashes. Fighting. Male rhinos fight over females. They use their horns to push and stab. Sometimes their horns break off. New horns grow to replace them. Protecting calves. Female rhinos protect their calves. They make loud snorts to scare predators away. Rhinos charge at predators that come too close. Get out of the way. And on the last page is the glossary. There were some bold print words throughout the story. When you see a bold print, that means that we're going to find what that word means in the back of the book. That's our glossary. So let's go over some of the words. Calves, that's what we call a baby rhinoceros. They're young rhinos. Crashes is a group of rhinos that live together. Graze, to feed on plants and grasses. Rhinoceroses eat plants and grass. Keratin. Keratin is a material from which hair and fingernails are made. Rhinos' horns are made of keratin. So just like our fingernails, that's what their horns are made from. And you know how sometimes our fingernails break? That's how their horns break. Mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that have backbones and feed their young milk. We're also mammals. Predators. Predators are animals that hunt other animals for food. Savannas. Savannas are grasslands with few trees. We've been talking about the savannas in Africa. Swamps. Swamps are land areas that are partly covered with water for most of the year. And that is the book about rhinoceroses. You can go on Epic and read the other rhinoceros books, and you can even read some books about some other animals that interest you. So I hope you enjoyed the story.